Hello everyone, my name is Mayang Anggraeni. In this video, I will explain what phonology is and how to pronounce it along with example. Let's get started. So, what is phonetics? Phonetic is the study of the actual sound that make up the words of language. We only have 26 letters in the alphabet, but modern English uses about 24 different sounds. Pronunciation is physical, and as we go through this sound, you need to think about these three questions. Is your mouth open, closed, or in the middle? For the sound in the top row, the mouth is almost closed. E, as in me, E, as in with, U, as in put, U, as in to. On the second row, the mouth is open a little more. A, as in get, as in the, as in her, O, as in or. For the sound on the bottom row, the mouth is almost open. As in as, as in but, as in start, O, as in off. Well, a diphthong is what a type of vowel sound that is made up of a combination of two single vowel sound but within the same syllable. In the first column, each sound ends with a sound. Ear, as in near, air, as in square, as in pour. In the second column, as a sound ends with E sound. A, as in make, I, as in buy, I, as in toys. In the third column, each sound ends with O sound. O, as in toe, toe. O as in mouth, mouth. Then we go to the single consonant. M as in make, make. N as in now, now. As in yong, yong. H as in how, how. L as in real, real. R as in true, true. W as in why, why. Y as in you, you. P as in pet, pet. B as in bed, bed. T as in train, train. D as in do, do. T as in talk, talk. G as in rake, rake. K as in come, come. G as in game, game. F as in fun, fun. V if as in fairy, fairy. D as in thing, thing. Th as in the. S as in eyes, eyes. S as in ears, ears. S as in see, see. S as in television, television.